So something really exciting is happening today. I'm on the way to the event. It's Mecca's Holiday showing, and it's going to be amazing because we get to preview all of the new holiday limited edition items. Oh my gosh!
Experience.
It is like Mecca land all over again. We got like a soft serve. I think they were thinking it was going to be cold, maybe. I'm not sure, but it is an amazing. So for copyright reasons, I had to do a voiceover here. Just couldn't exclude the background music. So it was greeted by some of the members from the amazing, gorgeous Mecca PR team. They are so lovely, so sweet to me, and lots of gratitude to them. Look at the space, it's huge. It's like a mini Mecca land. I have no idea how they decorated it overnight. I heard probably with the help of Christmas elves. Yeah, it was massive, so colorful. I had a lot of fun just running around the displays and talking to the various beauty advisors. The sections were divided up into color, skincare, stocking stuffers, Mecca Max, Mecca Cosmetica, expensive sets, and fragrances. I didn't have much to eat because I was too busy playing with all the goodies. Okay, hello, good morning. Oh, that is very Instagrammable. Hang on, we've got to put that on Instagram. That is very cute, but no thank you. Nice, coffee actually, but yeah, I don't think you guys are doing coffee, right? Yeah, good morning, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh my goodness, all of this.
All the colour for this year.
Oh my god.
Amazing, right? All the Christmas stuff.
I love like Christmas is the time when I go seriously.
I know. Everyone
and
goes
I go
crazy.
psycho. Yeah, psycho crazy.
Haven't
You know,
been
like
playing?
people like line up on the day when the releases come out.
100%.
Yeah, like standing outside the
Everything's
Meccas.
sold out, yeah.
Oh,
The Too Faced
wow.
range, the gingerbread one is so cute as well.
Oh my god,
I know,
really?
right?
Oh my god, I really want that. That is super cute. Oh, and then like peach stuff. Oh, the two, yeah, it always kills it.
So cute. And they have little bunnies as well.
Ooh. And then there's that Too Faced bunny bag. That's so cute. What's in it?
You have your eyeshadow palette in there.
Oh, okay. I definitely want that gingerbread. Yeah, that gingerbread thing is amazing.
That's included.
Wow, so cute.
Yeah.
And by Cherry.
Yeah, look at that.
I love that. Oh, they're doing it for you. That's so nice. Hello, how are you?
Good, how about you?
Yeah, good. Oh, I love these Stella. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah. This is amazing. The Stella sets are always really good. Oh, how pretty. Huh? Someone not your eye? No. I'm just going a bit psycho crazy, that's all. The Stella items are so pretty.
And it's great they've come out with more colours in the set.
Yeah, oh my gosh, and then they've color coded the set. I want that set, Enchanted Eyes, definitely. Yeah, I'm like slowly like my wish list. Oh my god, the hourglass palette. Oh wow. Oh, how's the Ray Morris setting powder? Have you tried it? Yeah?
It's what we think it is because it's quite nice and velvet on the skin. It's just very mattifying.
Really?
If you tend to be quite oily,
Yeah.
you just tap onto the skin.
Oh, so that's the
Yeah,
set.
that's the set.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the set she's come out with for Christmas.
Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. What is this? Oh my god, the Kevin Kwan.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come.
I know. It's so oh, and then this is a special,
Yes.
the Shanghai palette. So they're actually bringing out like a
So
Christmas
they're bringing out the
version.
set. Yeah, and you know with all like
Yeah, I
animals it
collect
goes
them.
to. It's beautiful,
Yeah,
isn't
I
it?
know, yeah.
Yeah. Did you get the recent ones that
Yes,
came out? And
yes.
Did you get the shadows yet?
Yeah, it's the
So
first thing I was like,
yeah.
I gotta
Have you
get
touched
it.
it yet?
No.
I don't want to touch it either.
And this is all of the NARS products. They are beautiful. Oh, I really like the Flame tones of this collection. The NARS products are the ones I always go for first. Yeah, and then they have, let's see what's on the cover. Oh my gosh, you need this. You need this. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. And then that too. That's beautiful. So beautiful skincare sets. Ooh, Ren has a set. Caress glowing skin. Oh my god. The By Terry products. Ooh, there's a trio of the By Terry serums. Oh, that's very cool. Okay, go to the other side. Oh, there's a Tatcha set as well. So pretty. All the Tatcha necessities, right? And then, oh, how cute! Drunk Elephant has his own little. This is very cute.
But these will roll out just
How cute is the Tatcha set? Adorbs!
Do you love Tatcha?
Yes! So are there two sets? So
Yeah, there's 2 sets.
okay, so one with all the white and then one with all the like the
The silks. Yeah.
Well, what's the white ones? Oh, the silks. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, silk cleansing oil essence. Yeah.
Packaging is very cute.
Yes.
Esteban, how are you? You're gonna appear in my YouTube vlog. Esteban's the man. He's amazing. You're everywhere. You're at all the best ones, mate. How you going? Yeah, good. Yeah, it's so fun, right? Mecca's always like amazing. It's
the
like
funnest events, eh?
I know, yeah. So
you go through it?
beautiful. Yep, I will. We're going through the tunnel, and then this is like the special packaging for Christmas. Where are we? We're here. What is this? Oh my god! It's a candle. Oh my god, the NARS candle. Oh my god, look at the NARS candle. Oh, they're candles. No, oh, they're not candle. There's something in there. Oh, stocking stuffers.
And then they are like.
Dude, what's this? Oh, that's very cool. That's very cool. I don't know what. This is beautiful. Lux table. Oh. Ooh, there's like a giant by Fredo. Elemis, Elon, Versa. And up here we have Elemis and Versa. What is that? Oh my goodness, the hourglass. There's like an hourglass vault. And this, always we need this. Like a giant Tatcha. And then, oh, Amazon Coquillon. Oh my goodness. And then always the boutique. Advent calendar is the one to get. And then over here. Collection has the packaging has been created by Rebecca Bowman, and it is very, very reasonably priced. So I got here all of the mini palettes. bracelets. Ooh, this is so cute. Advent calendar. Oh my gosh. Bam. How beautiful is that, right? Definitely a on this side. Ooh, lots of stuff on the surface. Oh, the brush sets. The brush sets are really good. And there's that. And then whatever. Oh, and then you can get a kid gift card if you want. Very cool. Gift card. And Mecca's Cosmetica's brand, which is Lux. Ooh, so pretty, happy hands. That's really pretty. I really like. Oh yes, the brush is really good. I had one last year.
Some other cheese muscle?
Oh, not at the moment. Yeah, I'll do the work first. Yeah. The advent calendar is so cool. Oh my god. 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 This is so pretty. Look at all that. Ooh, the colors, the color pots. Oh, that's like the hourglass one. That's really nice. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm definitely getting these. Definitely. I wonder if, oh, so cute. The diptych sets this year is really cute. I like the packaging. Oh, and they brought back one of these. They had that last year too, but it's a different set now. It's Faux de Bois. And what is this? Oh my god! Oh, a toka. It is so pretty. Red candle. Oh. Definitely need that. And you get your picture taken and all that. So fun. Lots of fun. So I hope you enjoyed that little vlog. There are more photographs of the products on my website. Includes like my wish list. I have like a ton of things on my wish list. And for people who went to the preview, we were very fortunate to be blessed with this set. Oh my god, like look at the packaging. I'm like so hypnotized. So there's a save face sunscreen SPF 50 and a lip deluscious with SPF 25. Thank you so much. And then also in our little goodie bag, drink responsibly, Aperol, so I can have an Aperol spritz. Oh my god, there are some days when things are so bad I go like, I need a cocktail. As with all of my videos on YouTube, I will have a giveaway. So please give it a like or a thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment below if you want to enter into the giveaway. It is a surprise from the Mecca Holidays. Yes, surprise, surprise, surprise. And thank you so much for watching. I love all of you and I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Bye.